Hey everyone, Virgilio here. Welcome back. The workshop is where we create, fix, and solve problems, but it's also full of hidden dangers. Today, we're breaking down the 4 main types of hazards in an auto repair shop and how to stay safe. I'll share real-world examples and practical tips so you can spot risks before they become accidents. Because the best mechanic is a safe mechanic. Let's build your safety knowledge. Grab your safety glasses and let's get started. First up, chemical hazards. In every auto shop, chemical hazards are everywhere, and they're often easy to overlook if you're not paying close attention. Auto shops are packed with substances, fuels, solvents, brake fluid, and more, that can harm you through skin contact, inhalation, or even accidental ingestion. Even a small spill or splash can cause burns, rashes, or other serious health issues if you're not careful. Paint fumes, for example, can damage your lungs if you don't use proper ventilation and a respirator. Some chemicals release invisible vapors that can build up quickly, especially in enclosed spaces, making it even more dangerous. Always check the safety data sheets or SDS for every chemical you use. They tell you the risks, first aid steps, and what PPE you need. Knowing this information before you start work can make all the difference in an emergency. Wear the right gloves, goggles, and a respirator rated for organic vapors when needed. Don't forget that different chemicals may require different types of gloves or masks, so always double-check before you suit up. Good ventilation is essential. Use exhaust fans and spray booths to keep air clean. Never block vents or disable safety systems, as they're your first line of defense against toxic fumes. Handle chemicals with care, and never underestimate the risks of long-term exposure. Chronic contact with hazardous substances can lead to serious health problems over time, even if you don't notice symptoms right away. Protect yourself. Your health is worth it. Taking a few extra seconds to follow safety procedures can prevent injuries and keep you working safely for years to come. Next, let's talk about ergonomic hazards. These are the injuries that don't happen all at once, but instead sneak up on you over time from awkward postures, repetitive motions, and poor body mechanics. In the auto shop, it's easy to overlook how much strain your body is under until you start feeling those aches and pains. Constantly bending over engines, reaching into tight spaces, or lifting heavy parts without proper technique can really take a toll on your back, shoulders, and joints. Over time, these small stresses add up, leading to chronic pain or even serious injuries that can sideline you from work. To protect yourself, use creepers, stools, and mechanical aids whenever possible. These tools are designed to support your body, reduce awkward positions, and help you avoid unnecessary strain during long jobs. Always remember to lift with your legs, not your back, and don't hesitate to ask a coworker for help when moving heavy or awkward parts. Teamwork and proper lifting techniques can make a huge difference in preventing injuries. Switch up repetitive tasks throughout your shift to give your muscles a break. Use power tools when possible, and choose tools with cushioned grips or ergonomic handles to reduce hand and wrist fatigue. Take short breaks to stretch, move around, and listen to your body's signals. A few minutes of stretching can help prevent long-term problems. Remember, prevention is always better than recovery. Organize your workspace, adjust your workbench height, and develop smart work habits. Working smarter, not harder, is the key to keeping your body healthy and in top shape for years to come. Let's talk about physical hazards, the everyday dangers that are always present in an auto repair shop. These include the obvious risks like slips, trips, cuts, burns, and moving machinery. But there's more to watch out for than you might think. Even a moment's distraction can lead to serious injury. Oil spills, loose cords, and scattered tools can quickly turn the floor into a dangerous minefield. It only takes one misstep to cause a fall or a twisted ankle. Clean up spills immediately and keep walkways clear of any obstacles. If you see a hazard, don't ignore it. Take action or alert a coworker right away. Store tools properly after every use and run hoses or cords along walls, never across paths where people walk. Organization isn't just about neatness, it's about safety. Always use guards on machines and wear cut-resistant gloves when handling sharp or jagged parts. Inspect your safety gear regularly to make sure it's in good condition. Assume hot parts are still hot. Let engines and components cool before working on them. Always wear the right PPE when welding, grinding, or working with heat. Never bypass or disable safety features on any equipment. These are there to protect you and your coworkers from serious harm. Good housekeeping and respect for your tools are your best defenses against accidents. A tidy workspace is a safer workspace. Stay alert and aware of your surroundings at all times. Most injuries happen in a split second, often when you least expect it. Your attention is your strongest safety tool. Hazardous waste isn't just a shop problem, it's an environmental one. Used oil, antifreeze, batteries, and solvent-soaked rags must be disposed of properly. Never down the drain or in the trash. Store each type of waste in clearly labeled dedicated containers and never mix them. Used oil filters and batteries need special handling. Take them to recycling facilities or return to suppliers. Even oily rags can be a fire risk. Keep them in self-closing metal bins. Make sure everyone in the shop knows the disposal system and follows it. Responsible waste management protects your health and the planet. So those are the 4 major hazard categories: chemical, ergonomic, physical, and hazardous waste. Safety isn't just a checklist, it's a mindset that ties everything together. Stay aware, follow guidelines, use the right gear, and never cut corners. Every smart decision keeps you and your team safe, healthy, and able to do what you love. Thanks for joining me. Stay safe, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one. Your best tool is always your knowledge.